Me and my friend Jürgen have had a great day testing out equipment, doing some things that we think is very fun at least. And right now we decided just to have some fun. We just ranged it with 382 meters. We got steel target from Spa Targeting Systems, 382 meters away from us. And I thought I'm going to try to freehand it, or offhand it, whatever the word is. Let's see if we can do it. So this range, 382 meters. According to my dope, I should be about a 2 mil drop. And let's see if we can do it. Just to the right.
Just to the right under.
It's just centimeters away from it.
Yeah. Hit!
Impact. Let's try that again.
Try one more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Impact.
Yeah. It's not that difficult, isn't it? No, honestly, it's not an easy shot, but it's not, superhuman in any way. Good trigger, good system. That does a lot. All right. Let's see. We are at 445 meter ish, and we're still going for the same target. Let's see if we can do it. It's just for fun, But something that really counts when you're doing this is not only to practice your skills as a shooter, but having a very nice trigger is going to do a lot for you. I'm using a Bergara Premier HMR Pro, and that comes as standard with a Trigger Tech trigger. Mine is a little bit on the heavy side. I don't like feather triggers, so mine is roughly 1.5 kilos, but we'll see how we do. So 2.8 mils ish there. Wind is very modest, so I'm not going to count much for that. Maybe just a little bit to the right because of spin drift, but so I'll just Kentucky it a little bit to the left. Should be all right. Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
You ready?
All right. Let's see if we can do this.
$12 o'clock.
Yeah. It's very close, right?
Yeah.
It's just
Just a decimeter over.
Yeah. I felt it.
Impact. That's insane.
Remember to breathe. Breathe.
Impact.
There we go. Again, practice. But again, having a really nice trigger and a good system that can deliver like quarter MOA regularly at 100, it really does help. And this is nothing fancy. This is the Bergara HMR Pro 6.5 Creedmoor heavy barrel, factory set trigger. The ammunition is Hornady ELD match factory, and this complete system has given me results that I think is, you know, beyond belief. I know there's shooters out there that are much better than me and they can do this all day long, but you know, this is like, that trigger really helps. Thanks.